Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. So, just I dictate you questions, you note it, and then we trying to solve it. Okay? Yes, write it. If matrix A is equal to, if matrix A is equal to, write it, 2 minus 2. Matrix A is equal to 2 minus 2, minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, minus 2, 2. And A square is equal to P times of A. A square is equal to P times of A. Then write the value of P. So here you have to find the value of P. The question is that. Okay? Yes. Trying to solve it. So what you do? You have to putting the value of A matrix in A square is equal to PA. And here you have A square. And A square means what? A into A. A square means A into A. So here you take the product of two matrices. Understand? Yes. So put it. So A square is equal to P times of A. So you can write A square as 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 into 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 is equal to P times of A matrix 2 minus 2 and minus 2 into 2. You have to write in this way. Okay. Use it. Now applying, that means take the product of these two matrices. So you can write, yes, first row, first column. So 2 2 are 4 and plus 4. First row, second column. So you have minus 4, minus 4. Now second row, first column. So minus 4 and minus 4. And here you have second row, second column. So 4 plus 4. And is equal to 2p minus 2p minus 2p and 2p. Yes, compare it. Here you have 8 minus 8 and minus 8 plus 8. Yes, compare the element. Any one element you have to compare it and verifying it be correct or not. So if you compare it, here you have 2p is equal to 8 or p is equal to 4. P is equal to 4. Now if you put here P is equal to 4, you have minus 8 and minus 8 is here. So here you see that P is equal to 4, satisfying all the elements of the matrix. So that is your answer. So your answer is P is equal to 4. Yes, note it. That question is asked in 2013. Now next question. So that question is depend upon power of square matrix. Okay. So the power of square matrix. Understand? Power of square matrix. थोड़ा और ऐसे लो ऊपर से, मेरा भी आउट। थोड़ा ऊपर से लोगे तब ना सब पूरा ये सब चीजें आएंगी, जरूरी थोड़ी ना कि क्या लिखा लो याद है। रुको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देते हैं, तो अभी वेट करना है बच्चों, रुक जाओ वेट कर। ओके, yes, note it. If A matrix is equal to, now second question, if A matrix is equal to 2 1 3 2 2 1 3 2, prove that, yes, note it, prove that A cube minus 4A square plus A is equal to 0 matrix, is equal to 0 matrix. You have to prove it. Okay, so how you find the value of A cube? First of all, you find the value of A square, which is A into A. Then A cube is equal to A into A square. Yes, write it step by step and check it how it is equal to 0 matrix. So in case first you find here A square, so it can be written as 2 1 3 2 into 2 1 3 2. So first row, first column. So first row, first column. So 2 2 ja 4 plus 3. First row, second column. So 2 3 ja 6 plus 3 2 ja 6. Second row, first column. So you can write 2 and 2 1 ja 2 here. Second row, second column. So 1 into 3 3 plus 4. And that be equal to 7 4 12 7. In this way, here you have the value of A square. Now find the value of A cube. Yes, find it, where its value. A cube is equal to A into A square. So you have 2 1 3 2 into A square, 7 4 12 7. And multiplying it, so that is equal to, yes, first row, first column. So 2 7 ja 14 plus 12. 14 plus 12. In the same way, first row, second column. So you have 24 or plus 21. Now second row, first column. So you have 7 plus 8. Second row, second column. So you have 12 or plus 14. And add it. So here you have 6, 26, 15. Here you have 43 and 26. Okay, check it. So in this way, you have the value of A cube. Now taking left side, putting its value and check it whether that means you have 0 matrix. Yes, taking left side and putting the value of A cube, A square and A and simplifying it, and finally you have your result 0. All the elements become 0, so that is equal to 0 matrix. That be equal to zero matrix. हमको विथ ये सारी चीजें चेहरा तो क्या है कुछ थोड़ा सा साइड से लो तो
Done, sir.
done beta. So you have zero matrix and that question is asked in 2005. So in the same way you have a question which we asked in your board examination, and no doubt you can do it better. Okay. Next question. Note it. I dictate you. If A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A. A is a square matrix such that A square is a A square is equal to A. Here it is given A square is equal to A. Then find the value of 7A minus I plus A whole cube. You have to find the value of 7A minus I minus A whole cube, where I is the identity matrix. Where I is the identity matrix. Yes, check it. And just listen, one of the property of identity matrix, yes, note it. A into I. Okay. If you multiplying any matrix to identity matrix, you have A, and is also equal to I into A. Understand? If A is any square matrix, in that case, that type of result you have. If A is square matrix and I is identity matrix, so A into I is can be written as A, and I into I is again I, and that is also equal to IA. So all are equal here. So you note this step. So if you have any term like that 2AI, suppose if you have here, if you 2AI or 3 times of AI, so that can be written as I. Means only you have to write in this way. AI is equal to A. A into I is equal to A for a square matrix. Understand? Now, how you find the value of this complete, that means matrix? Yes, expanded by using the formula A plus B whole cube. So that is equal to 7A minus I cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. So 3IA into A plus B. So you have, yes, write in this way. Now multiplying. Here you have 7A minus I cube is written as I. And here you have I cube minus A cube, sorry. and a cube is written as a square into a. Here you can write a cube is equal to a square into a. Here you have 3ia, and that can be written as minus 3a. Minus 3a into I plus a. Yes, right in this way. Now 7a minus I. Just listen. Here it is given a square is equal to a. So if you put it here a, so a into a becomes a square, and that is again a. So here you have you can write a square is equal to a, and a into a again a. So the complete value is equal to a minus 3ai 3ai minus 3a square, and 3a square can be written as 3a. So just see it. Yes, one step more. Here 7a minus a minus 3a minus 3a. Now check it. So 3a, 3a, 6a, and here you have minus 7a. So it be cancel out. Oh, sorry. So that we cancel out, and your result is minus I. So its value is minus I. Understand? So if A square is identity matrix, so here you have the value of 7a minus I plus a whole cube is equal to minus I. Note it. In the same way, here you have a question which we asked in 2015. Yes, note it. If A is equal to matrix A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. B matrix is equal to AB, AB, 1 minus 1. Here you have matrix AB, 1 minus 1. Understand? And A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square is given. That is also given. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square is given. Then you have to find the value of A and B. So write it. Find A and B. Find A and B. That is required. Here you have to find the value of A and B. If for the given matrix A and B, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. Okay. So how you simplifying such type of result? First, you trying to getting a result. Uh, what will be your final result if you have a relation like that? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. So just think about it. So A plus B whole square can be written as A plus B into A plus B, and is equal to A square plus B square. Actually, why here I written this step? Because here we have to not applying a formula direct identity A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Oh, that is not true in case of matrix multiplication, because here you study about matrix. That's why it can be written as A plus B into A plus B. Understand? Now, here you take the multiplication step by step. Means you have to, that means take the order of matrix also. Understand? So, if you're taking A matrix, so this A matrix is to be multiplied with the two terms of this factor, that means a plus b. So a into a, so you have here a square, plus a into b, so here you have ab. In the same way, you can write, if you are taking B matrix, so B is multiplying with A matrix, so you have BA matrix. Why we written this step? Because you know the commutative law is not hold for the multiplication of two matrices. Understand? That's why here you can write AB and BA. Clear? But this BA is not equal to AB. Understand? Now, B square is equal to A square plus B square. So in this way, here you see that the terms of A square plus B square is cancelled from both sides. So here you have AB plus BA is equal to 0 matrix. So in this way, you have a result. AB plus BA is equal to 0 matrix. Now what you do? You know about it. Yes. Putting the value of matrices A and B. Okay. Compare the values, form the equation, and find the value of A and B. Yes, do it. सॉल्व करो बेटा जल्दी से और बताओ क्या आया आंसर. Are you trying to solve or I solve this on board?
So we are doing.
Okay, sir. Okay, beta. Try. Your right side is 0 matrix, and here you can take a 0 matrix of order 2. Means 0, 0, 0, 0.
Sir, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, beta. And are you verifying? Yes, verifying that value with the other element also. And if you are sure, yes, it be satisfying to other elements which be given in your matrix. In that case, that is your final answer. But here, yes, it is true. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4 is your answer. Okay. So yes, trying to solve it. If you are not solving, that means so yes, note the answer. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4 is correct. Yes, trying to solve. You know about the multiplication of matrices and trying to solve it. Okay. Now, next question, beta. Note it. If A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix such that A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A. A square is equal to A. Then find the value of A minus I whole cube plus A plus I whole cube minus 7A. 7A. You have to find the value of A minus I whole cube plus A plus I whole cube minus 7A. Yes. Question of 2016. एकदम नीचे का चप्पल ठीक है. दूसरा क्या चीज सेकंड दूसरा
Sir, is the answer A?
Yes, correct. Answer is A.
Sir, A or minus A?
No, only A beta. Answer is A only. Okay, just I simplifying it. Check it. So this can be written as A cube. Here you are applying the formula for A minus B whole cube. Okay. So A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. So 3AI into A minus B. So A minus I. In the same way, this can be written as A cube plus I cube plus 3AI into A plus I minus 7A. Minus 7A. Minus 7A. And okay. And simplifying it, A cube can be written as A. Okay. I cube, so right here I minus 3A.
Will be cancelled.
So A is multiplying to A square, so you can write here 3A. And here you have plus 3A. A cube can be written as A plus I and plus 3A. And you have again 3A minus 7A. Just check it. So I is cancel out. 3 plus 3 and 3, 3, 7. No, sorry, 6 or 1, 7.
8, sir.
Yes, 8. And 8 minus 7. So in this way, check it. Here you have value A. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So its value is A. Now, next question. If fx means a function in a form of matrix is given, function in a form of matrix. Yes, note it. If fx is equal to matrix cos x, sin x, and 0, minus sin x, cos x, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Fx matrix is given so that fx into fy. Here you have to show that fx into fy is equal to fx plus y is equal to fx plus y. You have to show it. So what you do? Here you take left side, fx into fy. Understand? Here you have the value of fx, and fy can be obtained by replacing x from y. Understand? So in this way you have the product fx and fy, which is in the form of matrix. Understand? Yes, taking its product, applying the identity in which form you have, and then finally you see that, oh yes, you have a matrix in such a way that its element are in the form of x plus y, means all the elements are in the form of this fx matrix, but if you see all that elements, so you find that x is replaced by x plus y, and you can write it over, yes, that be equal to fx plus y. Yes, trying it. So yes, taking left side, here it is given fx into fy. Now putting the value of matrix cos x, sin y, 0, minus sin x, cos x, 0, and 0, 0, 1, and is equal to cos y, sin y, 0, minus sin y, cos y, 0, and 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Now taking its product.
Sir, there will be sin y or sin x.
Where? Oh, here?
Sir, for
Oh, sorry. Here you have x. Here you have
okay,
x,
sir.
beta. Okay. Now take its multiplication. First row, first column. Check it. So if you take first row, first column, just see what you have. Cos x, cos y. Write it. You have cos x, cos y. Second element to second element. So you have minus sin x, sin y. Sin x, sin y. And if you are 0, that means third element is multiplying with third element. So you see that that be 0. So no need to write. So here you have cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. Now, from first row to second column. Now, if you multiplying first row with second column, so what you have? Minus cos x, sin y. Write it. Minus cos x, sin y, and second element to second element. So here you have minus sin x, cos y, minus sin x, cos y, minus sin x, cos y. Understand? Now, first row to third column, just see it. Here you have 0. Second element is also 0. And 1 into 0 is also 0. So here you have finally 0. Okay. In the same way, yes, take second row, first column. So if you take second row, first column, so what you have? Sin x cos y, sin x cos y, second element to second element, cos x sin y, and 0. Here you have 0. Now come to second row, second column. So minus sin x sin y, sin x sin y, and plus cos x cos y, plus cos x cos y. Now second row, if is multiplying to third column, again you have 0. Now third row, first column. So here you have 0. For this you have 0. And for third element you have 0. So the complete value is 0. Now third row, second column. So what you have? 0, 0, 0. So write it here, 0. Third row, third column. So 0, 0, you have 1. So write here 1. So in this way, here you have a product. Now applying identity, check it, which it be in which form. Understand? Okay. So if you see your first step, here it is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. That be a formula of cos x plus y. So you can write that is cos x plus y. Okay. And this one minus. So if you take minus
Right.
common, if you take minus common,
sin x.
so you have sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So that is sin x plus y. So write it, that is sin x plus y, and this term is 0. And second row, your second row is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So that is sin x plus y. And here you have cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So that is cos x plus y. And here you have 0. Here 0, 0, 1. So in this way, you have a result. Now check this matrix and the given value of fx. So you find that in this matrix,